Hi there, it's me again, your Lavanya. We are continuing our discussion on Thiruvarotpayan, verse number 79. மூன்றாய தன்மையவர் தம்மில் மிக முயங்கி தோன்றாத இன்பமது என் சொல். As in, while we were discussing உண்மை விளக்கம், we were talking about a quality called as Advaitam. The Saiva Siddhanta philosophy of Advaitam talks about three things. One is inseparable, the second one is different, and the third one is indifferent. So those are the three that we were talking about. Those were the concepts, or those are the states that a soul should start realizing. Whatever we do, even if I want to write a letter, even if I want to eat, even if I want to walk to one place to another place, the relationship between Almighty and the soul, which is Advaitam, should happen. For example, I take a pen. So it is basically something like separate. So I'm taking a pen and I'm starting to write. What is it I'm going to write? Something that is going to be together. And at the same time, it is inseparable. This is what we are talking about as the relationship between soul and the Almighty. Now imagine the situation when a soul gets into a very, very matured state, the self-realization state. It will start to realize that there is nothing called as Advaitam also. Everything is his work. Everything is done by him. Once a soul starts realizing that, and once a soul starts to totally submit itself to the Almighty, understanding that there is nothing called as my work or our work and everything is his work, that is where what happens is the soul will get into a state of speechless. There is no need for a speech. There is nothing to talk. There is nothing to hear. There is nothing to ask. There is nothing to listen. In other words, there is absolutely nothing with the fellow human beings or the fellow souls. That's why they will just sit in a blissful state, surrendering completely to the Almighty and start enjoying the blissful state, because they will start realizing that everything and anything is happening because of him, and everything and anything is happening is because of his grace. That is what today's verse is talking about. I'll come back again with the next verse very soon. Until then, bye-bye.